Namaskar, myself Preeti Mishra, Head, Department of Human Rights. On behalf of all the faculty members and staff members, I welcome all the aspirants of admission in LLM course to the Department of Human Rights under the School of Legal Studies, Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar University, Lucknow. The Department of Human Rights is very proud of its accomplished faculty members and their deep commitment to intellectual inquiry into the field of law and human rights that sets it apart from other law departments and law faculties of other universities. Department of Human Rights provides for inter and multidisciplinary approach towards law. Department with its multidisciplinary faculties deliver excellent legal education with human values. The core mission of the department is to shape the future legal minds as per international standards. In collaboration with renowned universities and research institutions, Department of Human Rights brings together eminent faculty, scholars, alumnus, researchers, and members of the legal profession to provide students with a range of transformative and innovative experiences, both inside and outside the classroom, and promotes legal and ethical values through legal education. Department of Human Rights conducts postgraduate teaching and research programs in the areas relating to human rights and law, and aims at recommending appropriate measures for enforcing human rights and securing ends of justice through legal and democratic processes. Presently, the department is running PhD and LLM courses. Our LLM course is in tune with the prime concerns of legal aid, advocacy, social justice, community services, and governance. The students are encouraged to apply their knowledge of the subject in the real life situations. Apart from academics, the students are involved in various committees and co-curricular activities of the department. The students are encouraged to participate in seminars, conferences, cultural programs, and in extension activities of the department. Department has a legal aid clinic, its own seminar hall, departmental library, computer lab, a smart classroom, research scholar room. Besides, it has a state-of-art infrastructure along with other amenities offered by the university. Our proud alumni consist of academicians, judicial officers, law officers, public prosecutors, advocates, social and human rights activists who are serving the society and humanity with great passion and dedication. At the head of the department, I invite you all to explore all aspects of law and human rights. We are looking forward for the next generation of law students to join the various courses offered by the Department of Human Rights, which are very, very contemporary and of international importance. I must tell you that Department of Human Rights, a School of Legal Studies, must be your first choice and destination if you are aspiring for admission in LLM course in Lucknow itself. This course not only prepares you for academics but also helps you imbibe human values which are must to be successful in every walk of life. For more detail, you may contact university website www.bbau.ac.in. I wish all the aspirants very best for cracking entrance examination 2021-22. Looking forward to you all meeting face to face. Thank you all. Thank you so much.